All right, hi, I am Ben.
I'm Sherry.
And this is
Lindy Academy.
Lindy Academy, Lindy 2. It's December 12th.
This is our second week of a series.
So this is our, our in and out class.
Okay.
So we just started with modified type Charleston.
Forward rock step.
And
Rock
then
step, and forward
we
rock
brought the
step.
girl in front and back.
Notice the footwork pattern?
3, 5, 6,
It is the same, but for the gentleman,
5, 6, 7.
you're doing a
3,
yep,
5,
6,
6,
7.
Let's do this.
Okay?
So you can see the out and in, out and in, out and in, out and in.
Okay. Now, we also changed it up where the gentleman goes in front. Forward and back. And back. Forward and back. And out and in. Out and in.
So
okay.
then we have two ways to get to this opposition point, whether she goes out or I go out. And then we have two ways to get back side by side, whether she comes in or I go. So mixing that up.
We do.
I'll do she goes out.
I go forward.
She comes in. She goes out. I come in. I go out. I go in. I go out. She comes in. And then the footwork sometimes turns into more of a shuffle.
Shuffle.
It's still the same timing. You still want to keep the same timing of a quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow.
So let's show this angle forward. There's combinations again.
Bop, bop, bop. She goes out. She goes in. I go out. Wrong order. I'm doing a different order this time. She goes out. I go in. I go out. She comes in. And that is in and out. Yep.
Okay. Then we talked about getting the kick-ups. So
without the twisties, the timing was 1, 2, kick, step, hold, step, rock, step.
2 count kick, okay?
With the twists, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, rock, step. And then we added our
side to side, kind of sliding door.
Sliding doors. The timing would be 1, 2, tap, step, hold, step, like a big kick.
Step.
So it is very similar to big kick timing where you kick, step, big kick.
Rock,
it's
step.
1, 2, tap, step, tap, step.
So the out and in is happening from side out, side in.
So to prep it, and we didn't talk about this too much, but to prep it, we do an out. So these are out and ins again. So similar to out and in, out and in, out and in, and out and in. So that's how we're getting to it. And we talked a little bit of technique, especially for the guy's right arm. Especially in side by side, it's very easy to lock that in place to keep our partner with us and let her know what we want her to do. But we want to lead it nice and have a nice and consistent arm motion. So when you do it by yourself, we want to try to translate that when we have our partner. So it's not just lock the place, because then she doesn't feel that movement. Bop, bop, bop. So even though I have her here, I'm going to think about how I would swing my arm. So the way that translates into the sliding doors, how would you move your arm when you slide the doors? Okay? And then I would do that same thing with my partner. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, hold, rock, step. Okay? And that was the class, yeah?
Yeah.
It was a great class.
Thank you.
Thank
See you
you.
next week.